What's up, everybody? Okay, it is Christmas. It's that time of month again where Epic gives away the free assets. And today, if you go to free for the month, you get this Ultimate Ship Pack, Immersive Template, okay, Museum Environment Kit, Venice Fast Building, and Corals. Let's have a look. Okay. First is this pirate ship. Now, when I first looked at this, I thought, meh, quality. But actually, this thing good. This, this thing good. Now, it's the ship package, which means all of these come with it. Packaging might be, oh, no, it doesn't. Okay, it does, it don't. Cancel that. Interesting. This prop package made with people. Okay, so this is the ship package. Okay, there's no video on this one, which kind of sucks. I wish there was. But actually, this is pretty damn cool, man. This is very cool. Nice assets if you're looking for an Iron Matey. This looks pretty cool. I'm actually looking forward to checking this one out. See if it's any good. Right, so next things is pick up objects. Okay, this, no more blueprint, read more. Okay, so it's an immersive template. Okay, it's interactions with things. There's a video on this. Locomotion, so it's got that covered. Controls, okay. Then you've got like your interactions. Oh, I like the way he went down here. He went down, jumping. Okay, so it's kind of standard. There's tons of videos showing you how to use it, pick up stuff, use things, put down things. A ton of templates that you can use in order to do, what is it called? Immersive interactions and stuff, okay? Then we get this museum environment kit, which look good. This look good. Man, for horror games, hell yeah. Look at this. Awesome. Look at that. Now remember, if they're not made by Epic, you can take them into any other program. Sure, there's a bit of a setup, and maybe you got to divide the textures, because most of them come like compacted in Orm or something, but you can pull the textures apart very easily in Photoshop or whatever other program you need, and you can use this. This is awesome, man. This is the museum. It look good. Beautiful. Awesome assets. I mean, I can see I'd use a lot of these, especially the paintings and stuff for like horror games or horror houses or something. That's cool. Statues are really detailed. Look at that, man. These are looking great. So, damn. And then we get the Venice Fast Building, which just looks insane, man. Look at this. Look what you can build. This is awesome. Look at that. Looks like vertex painted shaders, materials. This is awesome, man. This is really cool. So, here's a video with it. And remember, all of this is free, man. Just sign up. That's all you gotta do. Sign up. And collect the assets. You never know when you're going to use Unreal. I say this every damn video, man. You know what? Don't sign up if you don't want to. Leave the assets. But this is just amazing, man. And once again, you can use them in any other program. You want to use them in Maya, Blender, whatever, Daz, whatever. You just got to import the export out of Unreal, import the assets, import the textures, separate the channels if you need to. It's easy enough. There's a million tutorials. I'll also do a tutorial on that one of these days. But look at what you get, man. And then you get the coral. This is ridiculous. Coral! This is ridiculous. Look at this. All got the emissions on them. Man, oh man. This is beautiful. Anyway, I hope this helps. Go get them assets. And get das ist so krass, oder? Das ist so richtig ganz mega krass geil. So get them. I hope this helps, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye, guys.